Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip people. Today, looking at adding perceived value to your plants, to your arrangements, to anything you sell. It's easy. I start with pussy willow or any other branch. And it's a great way to use branches that maybe aren't quite as lovely as the others. Taking a bit of bind wire, cut it off, and then build a trellis, lashing them together, twisting, and the bind wire can even be curled to look decorative, so you don't have to worry about cutting it, and repeating on the opposite side, taking additional pieces, tying them together, and then when you're complete with all the lashing, you can have a beautiful piece ready to add in to any arrangement. You can do this far ahead of time, so you're not dealing with it at the very last minute. And instantly perceived value. Now you know how the pros do it.